So today we had an investment games event, and that is basically 7 groups of people at 6 scenarios, 6 companies, and had £100 million to invest. And this is in collaboration with the Student Experience Programme. The Student Experience Programme wants to help economics and finance students to get exposure to the financial markets, such as investment games like this.
Each team was given £100 million to invest in the portfolio. So each team has to go through all the analyses and conduct all those fundamental analyses on the companies, and then find the most suitable companies, and in order to get more profit back from their investments.
I study economics, and this was a bit of a precursor to the kind of thing I want to go into as a career. So it was a bit of an experience, if you will, and it was a bit of fun as well at the same time. Just to work in a team and see how these people actually go about doing their jobs.
As a level 1 first year student, I actually gained a lot from today's session. I mean, I want to go into trading, and this kind of game sort of session was very beneficial to me.
Yeah, overall it was a really good event. You know, I've always been interested in trading and investing, but I've never really looked too much into it, so this event has given me more knowledge and like a good base point for me to do more research into it.
My team, actually, we were the winners of the session, and I think personally the main benefit was your personal problem-solving skills. I was able to analyse, the market. I was able to understand what economic analyses are, understand what fundamental analyses are, and what are the factors that affect the market. And one thing I really learned today was that there's no right prediction for the market. Market could behave in both ways, good or negative or positive ways for you. So that was the main thing I've learned today.